Hey beautiful people, how y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are all doing wonderful. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. You guys, I want to do something outside of femininity. I know I've been on a roll and I've been really excited. I've been having so much fun doing those videos, but I realize that not all of you guys are really into that, I guess. So I wanted to continue to make my other content as well. And I've got empties. I've got a ton of empties for you guys. I've been collecting stuff for months, you guys, to the point where I had bags upon bags of empties and I just couldn't deal. So I had to throw it all away. But they piled up again very quickly. So go ahead and grab something to drink, relax. I'm gonna go ahead and get through all these items. They're all beauty products in no particular order. I'm just gonna grab and go. Let's jump into it. The first product I have is from Ayuna, and it is a toner. It's called a facial, and they have a high and a low. This is the low. This is a prebiotic refining toner. The consistency is a lot different than the typical toner that you would probably use. It's a liquid, but it's like a thick milky liquid, and it has like these finely milled granulated powder in it, like sprinkled in it. So you pour it onto your hands and then you just kind of like pat it into your face. It has like this big opening at the top and you pour it, whoa! You pour it into your hand. Okay, there's a little bit in it. Let's see what it looks like. It's like this milky liquid, you see that? So you would just like take it and then pat it into your face. You don't put it onto a sponge, and I wouldn't recommend like pouring it onto your face. Just put it in your hands and then pat. You do feel like a slight tingling feeling, like a burning, not burning, but tingling feeling, because the second ingredient is vinegar, and there's also oils in here like coconut oil, vitamin E oil. I really enjoy this toner, you guys. I got it in a Beauty Heroes box, but it is expensive. Ayuna is a very well-respected beauty brand in the green beauty world, so definitely check it out. I would repurchase this 110%. It lasted me like almost 2 to 3 months using it night and day, and I noticed a really big difference as far as the texture of my skin when I use this product. Please excuse any dog barking, car honking, kids yelling, all that noise. Please excuse that. Next, I have this body wash that I picked up from Target from the brand Love Beauty and Planet in the scent Tea Tree and Vetiver, and it's a body wash for purifying and renewal. And this is like an all natural brand. It has coconut oil in it, tea tree oil, ethically sourced water. It's made to detoxify your skin. It's a pretty decent sized bottle, 16 ounces. It's gonna last you a good amount of time. It has a gel consistency, so it lathers up really nicely. It doesn't strip my skin. The smell, oh yeah, it smelled really good. It has like a very light, kind of like spearmint scent. It doesn't smell like tea tree oil to me. I wouldn't like that. It smells like a sweet spearmint. I like it. It's unisex. It does a job. I felt like the price was somewhat reasonable. I like this brand. This is one of my favorite body care brands. So if you're at Target, check it out. This product is from Soultanicals, which is a natural hair brand, and this is a deep conditioner. It's called Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair. It's a mega food deep conditioner with biotin, folic acid, and mega greens. So you can think of this as like vitamins for your hair, and I thoroughly enjoy this product. No, it doesn't smell good. It smells like grass. I don't know. I don't like the smell, but it's all gone. It's a green product. It's extremely thick, and I loved it as a deep conditioner. I loved it. My hair felt very soft after using this. It smelled very green and fresh, and I felt that it strengthened my hair strands, especially if my hair felt like it was like breaking. But it's not a strong treatment. It's not going to break your hair off. It's very moisturizing. I would definitely repurchase this. I wish they had it in a bigger size. As far as what it says that it's loaded with hair loss preventing organic super green ingredients like spirulina, wheatgrass, barley, oatgrass, all kinds of good stuff. It has sage in it, horsetail, rosemary. It does contain one protein, and that is rice protein. It's towards the end, so there is some protein in here, but Excellent product. If you've tried it, let me know what your thoughts are. Next, I have this body lotion from Shea Moisture. Oh my gosh, are they doing construction now? Wow. I have this body lotion from Shea Moisture, and it's the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Skin Renewal Recipe Body Yogurt Moisturizer. As you can see, it comes in this big tub. Well, it's not really that big. It's 12 ounces. The one thing I don't particularly care for as far as packaging goes is that it flips up like this, the top. And although it looks cute, it's actually quite annoying when you're having to like scoop the product up and you're kind of, I don't know, you're kind of like scraping your hand against the product. I didn't particularly care for this product at all. It's a lotion. It's supposed to be like a very thick moisturizing lotion. For me, it was not moisturizing the least bit. I had to like pour tons of oil in it just to get it to be moisturizing enough for me not to have to throw it away. So definitely would not repurchase this product. As far as the scent, it has a really nice like luxurious scent. It smells very perfumey, and I think they did a fantastic job as far as the way it smells, but performance wise, I would not repurchase this product. Now I know y'all love fragrance. So this fragrance is one of my faves, and it's from Commodity, and it is called Gold. This is a Eau de Parfum. This fragrance has been around since 2013, and unfortunately recently has been discontinued. It's too bad because it was one of the best scents that I've come across in a while in terms of being unique and sexy but light enough for daytime wear. It's very aromatic and woodsy. It has scents of amber and vanilla. It's a very sexy, captivating fragrance, and I think it's good for any age range, but I would say probably 20s, 30s, and 40s. I really love this perfume. Got a lot of compliments wearing it. I got mine from Sephora, and they might still have some in stock. If you can somehow get your hands on it, I would, because it's a very sexy, understated, but like warm fragrance. I love it mostly for the fall and the winter, daytime or nighttime. You can make it work. If you guys own this fragrance or if you've smelled it, let me know what you think of it. It doesn't last all day long, but it lasts, I would say, for about 4 hours in like a very strong way, and then it kind of dies down. But let me know if you've tried it. This fragrance is from Diptyque, and Diptyque is known mostly for their candles. They have the best smelling candles, in my opinion. My favorite is Baize. It's like probably their most popular scent, but they also make fragrance, and I really enjoy their fragrances. This one is called Philosopos, and this is what the bottle looks like. The packaging just looks very elegant and just kind of like classy sitting out. This particular fragrance is supposed to be very clean and very fresh. I like it more so as like a room fragrance or something just in the air, but on my skin it doesn't particularly warm up to it well, and I just didn't like the scent on me. I think it's just a little bit too harsh, and the notes are just, I don't know. It's a very earthy, woodsy green scent, and I am someone who really enjoys like the green fragrances and things that smell very natural. That's more my speed. So technically this is something that I should like, but unfortunately for me, I think it's the fig notes that I'm just not agreeing with, but the top notes do have fig in it, and it's like a woodsy cedar scent. So I would smell it. If you're into like the woodsy thing, I would smell it and see if it smells good or not. But for me personally, I wouldn't repurchase this particular scent. This is a moisturizer from Glow Recipe, and it's their Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is actually my staple, like go-to moisturizer, especially because I have oily skin. This is like my favorite moisturizer to go underneath makeup. I find that my makeup applies a lot smoother. I don't get the oiliness and the greasiness. It's super lightweight, so you don't even feel it after you put it on. It's not one of those like super high-end moisturizers that's infused with all these things that are doing something special for your skin. It's a basic moisturizer that's going to give you that plumping effect. I believe it has hyaluronic acid in it, so you do have that juicy look to your face, but it's not a lot. It's very, very thin and lightweight. It's perfect for teenagers or people who just have very normal skin and you're just looking for something to give you a little bit of moisture and a little bit of softness. I really like this moisturizer. I even have it in a little mini size to travel with. They do make a travel size and it's fantastic. So if you want to try it out, I would start with that one so that way you can at least see if you like it or not. This was a really fun makeup item. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows, and it's an eyebrow gel that has a cute little wand on it. It's very thin, the thinnest wand I've ever come across on a makeup product, and you're just supposed to use it to fill in your eyebrows. I have it in a dark brown color, and this is really good for those of you guys who want to really define like each brow or make your eyebrows look super thick and full. I find that this does a better job of defining my brows in terms of looking like hair because of the fact that the wand is so thin and each stroke gives you like a hair-like look. I find that this one performs a lot better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills or even the Boy Brow. So far this has been my favorite. So if you like your brows to look very natural and very full and you're not having a lot of success with everything else in the market, I would try this one next. Now this is a facial exfoliant that I used up until I couldn't use it anymore, okay? I use every little bit of this up. It's from The Alchemy and it's called Natural Micro Dermabrasion Peel. And they say it's a superb and reliable exfoliant for all mature skin types except for acne skin with heavy inflammation. I absolutely loved using this product. It was very enjoyable to use. It comes out just like a thick paste with beads in it, but the beads are not too hard nor are they too soft. They're like perfect. And I put it on first as a mask, and then I go back in and I exfoliate with it and rinse it off. My skin looks very soft and it's perfect for applying makeup on afterwards. Sometimes I'll use it before a mask just to get the maximum benefits, and it just absorbs into my skin. I love it. I would definitely repurchase it. A lot of times it's out of stock, so you kind of have to keep your eye out for it, but it is my favorite exfoliant to date, and I will continue to repurchase it. This is from Cora Organics, and it's a 2-in-1 brightening and exfoliating mask. So you can use it both as a mask or just as like a regular rinse off exfoliating paste. These two were my babies, okay? I don't even have an exfoliant right now because I'm gonna have to restock on one of these two. I love this mask in terms of making my skin just feel renewed. My face looks super bright after using this. Turmeric is wonderful for brightening up dark spots on your face if you have like acne scarring or if you have uneven skin tone. Turmeric is wonderful for that. I adore this product, but if you don't like the smell of turmeric, you're not going to enjoy using this because it does have a very strong kind of like earthy herbal scent. And also the color of it is like a brown color because turmeric is kind of like the color of this almost, but it's a little bit more, I guess, yellowish, deeper. So just be careful. Make sure it's not staining anything. I would use like a brush to apply it, but it's a wonderful product. There's so much in here that it lasts a really long time. You feel like you got your money's worth. This particular brand is also a green beauty brand, so you can rest assured that the ingredients are going to be good. Okay, 2 more things and I'm gonna let you guys go because they are just too loud for me outside. I cannot take it anymore. Okay, 2 more things. Last makeup item I have is from Hourglass. This is just like a mini size, but this is the Hourglass Veil. This is a setting powder or brightening illuminating powder for your face. Usually people will use it like in this area or underneath their eyes. Me personally, I liked it just like right underneath my eyes to brighten it some more on top of my concealer. So if I wanted my eyes to just look very awake and alive, then I would apply it there. But you just have to be very careful with this, especially if you're of dark skin. I really wish that they would make one for dark skin. I think that would be nice. But this is a translucent powder, so it does have that white kind of backflash if you're not careful. So I would just be very careful with what kind of brush I use and how much powder I put on it, but it does give you the most like beautiful, flawless look under your eyes when it's done right. It is a pricey product, so I would start by probably purchasing this mini one just to see if I know how to work with it, how it looks on my face before investing in the bigger one. And last but not least, because that sound outside is driving me nuts, I really hope you guys cannot hear it. This is the Sweet Sweat. This is a product that I use before hitting the gym. I just apply it all over my stomach, and it helps with me sweating in my midsection. It helps me to lose water weight. It does a really great job for me in terms of just kind of like making this area a little bit more targeted in terms of my workouts. I can see the sweat falling off of my stomach when I use this stuff. I have a video where I actually demo this product so you can see it in real time if you want to know exactly what it looks like and how it works. So I will link that video below and you can check it out. But it's one of my, staples. It's one of my faves. This is the original product, but they have a coconut oil one if you want to get a little bit more natural. But this is the one I prefer, so I will link it below. Okay guys, I'm so sorry about all the noise in the background, but for those of you guys who just wanted something a little bit different, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think. If you've used any of these products before, let me know what you thought of them. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about anything else. I appreciate you so much for watching this video and being a part of my YouTube family, and I will see you in the next video. Big kisses to you all. Mwah. Peace, love, and light.